John, wow, what a crazy 18 months it's been planning and changing the date for our wedding, but the day is finally here. The wait was definitely worth it because I get to marry you. You are my best friend and the love of my life, and I can't imagine spending life without you.
Mary Kathryn, I cannot believe our big day is finally here. I am so excited to spend the rest of my life with you. I feel like the luckiest man in the world knowing God gave me my dream girl. Life is so much better with you, and I can't wait to see what the future holds for us.
Your sense of humor, big smile, caring heart, and the way you respect me are just a few of the traits that made me fall in love with you.
Look very nice and handsome.
Look beautiful.
Today we become one as we stand beside each other and take our vows to live a godly life.
Uh-oh. It's so pretty.
Love you.
I love you so much, John Thomas Tirico. Always and forever, love, Mary Kathryn.
I promise to love you unconditionally and to give you everything I have.
As you both have said that you believe it is God's will for you to be married and share the rest of your lives together in the bonds of marriage as husband and wife, I now pronounce you husband and wife. John, you may kiss Mary Kathryn, your wife. And now, dear family, friends, and honored guests, it is my pleasure and privilege to present to you for the very first time Mr. and Mrs. John Tirico.
Most of the men in here have had to go ask their father-in-law for their future bride's hand in marriage, right? It's kind of the way it's done. So at some point, he said, I really like hanging out with you, Miss Newton. And what did I say?
You said, well, you ain't marrying us, John. You're marrying our daughter.
And I told him when he met with us, said, you better take care of my daughter. And she better take care of you. That's just how it works. So he's a good guy. We're happy to have him. He's my son. I didn't have a son. I love my daughter, but I'm thankful I have a son. And let me tell you about Mary Kathryn. She's tender-hearted. She's sweet. She works extremely hard. She's been successful in everything she's done, athletics, academics. She's got a great job. All the attributes you want to see in a daughter, and I'm so proud of you. Proud of both of you. So with that being said, if everybody would stand, raise your glass to Mary Kathryn and John. John, she's first in your life before God. He's first in your life before God. You all take care of each other. You love one another. God richly bless you in your marriage. Here's to you. Have a great honeymoon week.